Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Sony headphones to your Sony TV. First, confirm your Sony television has Bluetooth capabilities, as this is essential for wireless audio. Then, access your TV's settings menu. Look for the Bluetooth settings or Remote and Accessories section. Once located, turn on the Bluetooth function on your television. This prepares your TV to search for and connect with your headphones, ensuring a seamless audio experience. Next, you need to put your Sony headphones into pairing mode. This step is crucial for the TV to detect them. Usually, you'll press and hold the power or a dedicated Bluetooth button on your headphones for about 5 to 7 seconds. You'll often see a blue or white indicator light flashing rapidly, signaling they are ready to connect. Always check your headphones' specific instructions if you are unsure about this process. Now, back on your Sony TV, navigate to the Bluetooth settings again. Select the option to Add Device or Search for Devices. Your television will then begin scanning for nearby Bluetooth devices that are in pairing mode. Once your Sony headphones appear in the list of available devices on the TV screen, select them. The TV will attempt to establish a connection, which usually takes only a few moments. After selecting your headphones, your Sony TV will display a confirmation message once the connection is successful. You might also hear an audible cue or see a steady indicator light on your headphones. Play some audio or video content on your TV to verify that the sound is now coming through your connected Sony headphones. You can then adjust the volume directly from your headphones or the TV remote for a personalized listening experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.